Yes, we're inside. But it doesn't mean we're going to stop being outside. We're just inside for today. Okay? But we're making dessert. Okay? It'll all be okay. It'll be okay. We're making dessert. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. It is your boy, Jabril. And today, we're making a family favorite of ours. It is delicious. It is rich. It is phenomenal. I don't know why I keep doing this, but it's that awesome. We are making chocolate, sorry, let me rephrase that. We are making double chocolate mocha trifle. You ask? Well, if you watch this video, then you'll find out what it is. So let's do this, shall we? I don't know why I keep doing weird things right now. I'm just gonna start doing weird hand. All right, I'm gonna stop. Let's make some mocha trifle. So, first thing is you need to start with your brownies. We got the good stuff today, okay? All you do is you just make them how it says to make them, and then you let them cool. So we're gonna make our brownies first. Bowl, brownie, oil and water, and 1 egg. Now you want to put this in a 9x13 because you want 1-inch little cubes. Plus it cooks faster, so you get to eat it faster. Now for that, we're going to start with about 30 minutes because we are putting it in 9x13, and so most times are about 40 to 45 minutes. So we're going to start with a half an hour, and that should be okay. But we'll keep an eye on it. But while we're waiting, let's go ahead and make our pudding mixture. So I got another bowl. You need 2 cups. Sorry, not 2 cups. You need 2 packets of 3-ounce white chocolate Jello pudding. 1, 2 packets of these guys. Okay, and then what we're also gonna do, okay, and then about a 1/4 cup of water, warm water to be exact. It says 4 teaspoons, but I'm gonna start with one of these instant coffee packets, just to kind of see how much it is, but I think I usually use just 1. Give that a good stir, mix up all those granules. And what we're actually gonna do, since it's 4 teaspoons, it's probably about 2. We're gonna do 1 more. So 2 of these packets are 4 teaspoons of instant coffee. Now that I've got all of my measuring cups. So for this, since we're using a 1/4 cup of coffee, we only need about 1 cup and 3/4 of cold milk. Now I know it's 2 packets, and normally 1 packet calls for 2 cups of cold milk by itself, but we're almost kind of making an imitation mousse is kind of what we're aiming for. So 1 cup, and then 3/4 cup, okay? Off to the side. And we're gonna go to town. And you're just gonna keep whisking until it gets thick. And then once it gets close, we're also going to add our coffee. Plus it'll give it a chance for the water to cool down and give this a chance to thicken up, okay? That actually really didn't take that long. I'm kind of shocked. There we go, we got some peaks going. So now, we're gonna mix in our coffee, okay? Now that's gonna make kind of a caramelized brown pudding. All right, so we're gonna cover this. Our brownies still got about 20 minutes. We're gonna let our brownies cool, and then once our brownies cool, then we'll cut into our brownies. Oh, I almost forgot. I can't believe I almost forgot. Wow, the whipped topping. No wonder it looks so dark. I was wondering why it looked so dark. Wow, I'm just having a moment today. But you need to add about an 8-ounce tub of whipped topping. I can't believe I almost forgot that. I am so ashamed of myself. Ding dong, I tell you what. Man. I was wondering why it looked so dark. Now I know why. You're just gonna keep folding it in. All right. Now that is what it's supposed to look like. That is much better. All right, so now we're gonna wrap this up, put this in the fridge, wait for our brownies to get done, let them cool. We'll cut into them, and we'll make some chocolate mocha trifle. All right, so we've let it sit for about a half an hour. And so normally, you combine it into a big glass bowl, like so, and then you layer it. So you do brownie, then you do pudding, or mousse, and then you shave some toffee bars on top, and then you repeat that process and layer it. About 2 or 3 layers. But we're gonna kind of cheat today, and so we're just gonna kind of layer it on a plate like so. But I got my brownies, and I cut them into squares, just to make them a little easier to serve up. And we're just gonna go layer, and then we're gonna take our pudding. We want a nice amount, okay? Take our heat bar, take our microplane. Now you can chop these up into big chunks. You want a nice amount on there, okay? We're gonna layer a couple more on top. One more little layer. There you have a chocolate mocha trifle. Wow, that looks heavenly. Let's give this a try. I already kind of know what it's gonna taste like. I know it's gonna be amazing, but cheers. Wow. Give me a minute. Yeah, this should be illegal. This should not be allowed to be made. I love this. This is so, like, it's rich and it's a lot. Don't get me wrong, but it's almost light, kind of. It's like a light rich. It's weird, but ooh, this is, man. I definitely couldn't eat a lot of this. I will say that. It's rich enough that I could not eat a lot of this. But this is excellent. And I love toffee. I love toffee because it's kind of that caramel crunch to it. Oh yeah. And what I did was I even broke up a couple chunks and stuffed them inside. Just because by the time that pudding sits in, it'll get nice and soft and bueno. But yeah, I love this. This is, when somebody says death by chocolate, this is what they're talking about. Man, oh man. And the coffee's not horribly strong. It comes off just a little bit to make it enjoyable, but excellent, 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 excellent. Well, before I go into a diabetic coma, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button next to it. Comment down below, tell me what you think. Tell me how I did, tell me what I should do next. And as always, guys, peace out. I can't stop eating this.